that you know what hit the fan, only 1 or 2 garments were stained. With that in mind,
when I became son in 2019 February, I went home. Another young boy was also named Son. Now, why did I say this? It simply illustrates and demonstrates the influence that we have on our people. They don't understand what the courts are. They know you as barrister and as son in the village. Whatever you tell them is what they believe. Whatever you feed them with is what informs their actions. And that is why we must be circumspect. We must be measured in the way we talk about this temple of justice. Yes, an attempt was made to give us even the statistics of those that have been found culpable on allegations of judicial corruption, of maybe about just maybe less than 1%, far less than 1% of the judges that we have in this country have either had these allegations against them or have been convicted. And the only way that you can come to that conclusion is pass through this same civil process of resolving disputes. Otherwise, the risk that we are running is that we are still rocking on the foundation of the country. Like I said, absent the judiciary in this country, we will not have a nation today, as the perception may be. And unless we get measured in the way we speak, and I thank you for raising the issue of our senior lawyers coming out of court and arguing their case again, different from what they presented before the judges. Judges don't go to the field. It is what you present to them. And because of the way we have shaped the mind of Nigerians, it is very easy for me to take the defective process to court, lose the case on the basis of the things that I haven't done, and come out, and it's convenient for me to tell my client, well, what do you expect? You know, I told you that these judges may have been sane, and you probably need to do something about it. And that is because we are never interrogated about our professionalism in the way we handle our matters. Clients that hire us don't get to sue us for professional negligence, and so our works are not brought under scrutiny. It's very convenient for us to do so. And I think most of those matters that you even mentioned, if you would take time to go and read the processes that were presented to the court, we, the lawyers, are the ones that even give the basis. If we should do our works the way we should do, then it becomes impossible for judges to be having conflicting decisions. You know why there are conflicting decisions in the courts? Is because we lawyers make conflicting submissions before the judges on the same set of facts, driven by those wrong motivations. And so it's important for us, both our colleagues that are in the media, I just finished, before you finished your keynote address, someone was querying my statement about what happened in Lagos. And I said to him, my brother, we've talked about the order of this court. Have you seen the order? I'm a lawyer. Other than the fact that it was reported on channels that someone was given bail, that is no proof to me that he's been given bail. If I go to court today and I need to prove that someone was given bail yesterday, there is something I need to present. The public does not know. We know. We educate the public. Once we see the order, we can't talk about the order. We can't be talking about something we haven't seen. It has been our experience. You find our colleagues on television talking about the judgments they haven't read, misinforming the public. Some of them I dare to say with due respect, because these are issues that we are dealing with, they simply go there to tout, because once they give a certain opinion, they attract the attention of a prospective client. That is how they get their votes. That is not consistent with our responsibilities as those who are supposed to give direction to the people and advance the cause of this nation. And like I will say, and I will continue to say, because people can exist without religion, then they can't exist without justice. We must look for life. There is a life and a lifestyle that is motivated by justice, and that is the way that we can fix this country. So, whether scared, whether scared, or sacred, the temple of justice is not something that we can discard. We need the justice of the temple of justice for us to exist and for us to realize the growth that we all